And we are back here on Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Are you up for another earning idea you can do at home? If yes, then you have to finish this video. For today, we are going to learn another way to earn money by watching videos. Before anything else, you know the drill. Do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. With that, you will never miss a single upload that talks about how to earn passively. Step 1. Get familiar with the website, Rewardy. The first step will be heading to your browser and type in rewardy.io. This will direct you to this website here. This will show how it looks if you are still about to make your account by signing up. Below the sign up button, you will see that over 1 million users have signed up to this website. Now that's a lot. As you can see from the data, the average user withdrawal from this site recently was $5.31, with total payouts exceeding $595,000. If you scroll lower, it says here that Rewardy works by signing up. After that, you have to earn points by listening to music, playing games, watching streams, taking quizzes and surveys. Then you can withdraw your earnings right after. Your earnings are on a point basis, so when you want to withdraw it, you will have to exchange it to PayPal, gift cards, or even cryptocurrency. Notably, this site boasts a Trustpilot rating of over 5 stars and holds Trustpilot verification, affirming its legitimacy for online earning opportunities. What sets it apart is the diverse array of withdrawal methods tailored to your location. Even if PayPal isn't an option, numerous alternatives are available. Plus, you can cash out directly to your bank account for as little as $2, which is incredibly convenient. To get started, simply click Register Account. Choose a unique username, provide your email, set a password, confirm you're human, agree to the terms, and complete the registration process. Alternatively, you can swiftly sign up using your Gmail or Twitch account. Once logged in, your dashboard will finally look like this. Familiarize yourself with everything you see on screen, for this will be your working space. Step 2. Click on Earn, Watch Streams. You need to click on this button that says Earn. This link will direct you to this section offering various methods to earn money online, including completing offers, gaming, watching Twitch streams, listening to music, viewing video clips, and other opportunities. Today, as the title and intro said, we'll focus on earning money by watching videos. So please choose the Watch Streams option. Rest assured, you don't need a Twitch account to access these streams. Everyone can watch and earn. You'll find a lot of videos available for earning. Most are gaming content like GTA 5, Minecraft, PUBG, Counter-Strike, and more. Free to choose your favorite gaming videos to start earning. For instance, if you enjoy a particular video, click to open it and you'll be brought here, where you can watch the video content while earning money. Currently, you're rewarded $2 points per minute for watching videos, potentially reaching up to $280 per minute depending on your location. The more developed your country, the higher your potential earnings. Regardless of your location, the longer you engage with these videos, the more you stand to earn. If your earnings per minute are lower, consider watching for an extended duration to maximize your income. With a vast selection of videos available, there's ample opportunity to multiply your earnings. Step 3. Watch clips. Step 3 in the process of earning money by watching videos involves viewing short, trending video clips and receiving payment every 5 minutes of viewing. To get started, you'll need to download the Livestream app on your Android or iOS device. Enter your username, which can be found next to the second point, and start watching these clips to earn between $1 and $10 points for every 5 minutes of viewing. Additionally, you have the option to maximize your earnings through various other online money-making methods available here. For example, you can earn money by listening to music. Similarly, you can generate extra income by completing different offers such as playing games or participating in surveys. Step 4. Withdraw earnings. Withdrawing your earnings from Reward is a simple process. Just click on the Withdraw option, which will present you with 2 withdrawal methods. Firstly, you can opt to receive your earnings in cash through cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or directly to your PayPal account. Alternatively, you have the option to withdraw your earnings in the form of gift cards, including Visa, Amazon, or Roblox gift cards. And we are done. These steps are quite easy, aren't they? We only highlighted the video watching today, but as you can see from the website, there are a lot more things you can do to increase your income. The opportunity that Rewardy gives is limitless, so you have to grab it. Thank you for stopping by. You would love to have you again here on Passive Income.